They're still sleeping. Whoop, no, there they go. Somebody tapped somebody on the shoulder. Nope. They just had to get up to go to the bathroom. Well, does Bud Light meet expectations? Well, the bar was set so low, it didn't even make expectations. But hey, what the heck? Poor little guy tried. If you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. A thumbs up would be great. A comment would also be appreciated. And any thoughts you have and any questions you might have, please put them in the comments down below and I'll be sure to answer them. I'm Pete LaFrance, the Old Growler, hoping all of your beers meet expectations.